Hey guys, welcome back to San Joaquin Valley Transparency. In case you guys don't know, I'm from California. About 6 months ago, I went to visit Mesa, Arizona, and we posted a video when we did a cop watch. 6 months after the video comes out, they send a letter in the mail saying I have court in Mesa, Arizona for trespassing on this property. As you guys are gonna see at the beginning of this video, they're soliciting a trespass. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. Did I break the law in this video? I will be going back to Arizona soon for court. I am fighting this charge. I won't take the easy route. I could have easily paid $300 and walked away, but I'd rather spend $3,000 just traveling there and fighting it. This is my third time going there. I've actually spent more than that. No big deal, folks. I'm a YouTuber. Watch this video. Let me know what you guys think in the comment section. I almost forgot to mention, folks, this is one body cam out of about 20 that they sent me. I'm going to be uploading as much as I can. I wanted to get this one out to you guys right away. As soon as we show up on scene, they start talking to us and telling us to get off the property. Not only that, they call us agitators. Isn't that discrimination, folks? All right, guys, here we go.
That really bright light, I turned around and that light was really bright. Yeah. This is my bus. Go ahead.
Yes, sir. What's going on?
Hey, we're out here trying to deal with one of your tenants on an incident, and you've got like 10 people on your property trying to film us, and I'm trying to figure out if you want them off your property.
Yes, we can run off property.
Okay. Okay, thank you so much. That's the owner.
The property owner doesn't want you on the property, so you stand on the sidewalk.
Hey, it is Deuce. No wonder. You would solicit a trespass on film, you fucking idiot. But you should come out. We need her to come tell us. This is Deuce.
Yeah, I don't think you understand how the law works.
You've been trespassed from the property. You need to get off. You need to get off the property.
She didn't come out and tell us.
You've been trespassed. We just spoke with the property manager. You need to back off.
Stop shining the light in my face.
Stop to back off the property.
Do you not know how the law works?
This is going to be.
Okay, I need you to identify.
This is going to be your
get off the
final.
property.
What's your badge number?
You don't need my badge number. Back up.
But she didn't come out and tell us.
It doesn't matter.
Well, how do you know I'm not going to get a room here? How do you know I'm not going to get a room here?
So the light in my
How do you know I'm not going to get a room here?
If you do not
How do you not know? How do you know I'm not a
you
guest?
will be arrested for
How do you know I'm not a
trespassing.
guest?
Do you understand
Did
that?
she not come out? She hasn't come out and told us
Do
that.
you understand that?
What's your badge number? What's your name?
My name is Joaquin.
What is it?
Okay? I already told you. If you do not get off the property on
You
the
are on the
sidewalk
property.
line,
Get on the sidewalk.
you will be arrested for trespassing.
Look, you bitch.
There you go. You can stay there.
Look,
Thank you.
you
You can
bitch.
stay there. Sidewalk.
You'll be right
Why
there.
you girls have to act like bitches? Why can't you just act right?
Yeah, fucking act right, motherfucker.
Don't say a word to him.
You need to stay on the sidewalk.
Don't say nothing. They are not your friends. Tyrant piece of shit. Clown costume.
Yeah, they're like super aggressive.
So just be chill. You don't need to talk to them. Just keep them on the sidewalk.
Main mistake. Don't talk to them, man.
Like utility right here too, the rocks.
God, it takes what?